You guys, so just when I was about to wash dishes, I woke up. You guys, I'm not used to filling in my eyebrows anymore. Like, I never do it. And I was like, let me just do it today. And I regret it so much because I never do it. So it's like, whew. Look at that glow, the natural glow. I didn't even put highlighter on. But I tried to take some of it off with the Q-tip, but it didn't really work. But there's Mr. Nella playing. So I am just going, you guys, I'm wearing Ruben's shirt. He bought it and then it got ruined at a birthday party because Kate quit flying. Well, somebody ruined it for him, and he had to wash it, and it just shrunk. So now it's fine. So yeah, but I do not watch any anime. I am sorry if you were here for that. I'm just kidding, but I don't watch anime, so yeah. Anyways, I am going to see what he does. He's actually hungry because he's nibbling on his hand. So I'm actually gonna go feed him and then we will continue this vlog. You guys, I have him on the swing while I try to do some dishes. Like, ooh, zoom out. I'm trying to see. He grabs it if I give it to him in his hand, and play with it, but he doesn't know how to grab stuff yet.
See the sun goes down, driving lights in heart, counting trees around.
¿Te está viendo? ¿Te está viendo?
This is our
¿Te está viendo? ¿Te está viendo?
My heart, it's cursed with you. My heart is cursed with you.
So Noah's sleeping. He took a nap again, and I got distracted making this cup that I'm gonna be selling in I'm gonna start making them to sell them. So yeah, it came out perfect. I really love it. So that's that. That's what I was doing. But now time to clean up and get all of my mess cleaned up. Is you pooping? Yeah? Is you pooping? Oh. You want to sit up? Let me sit you up. Oh no, why are you crying? What's wrong? Oh no, what's wrong? Look. Hello?
And like that? Did it cook without me?
Well, you never helped me.
Yeah, you went to meet me.
You never helped me. I asked for help for like a month and I never got the help.
You're welcome.